I'm an attorney at law in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. Well, I've had the essential tremor since probably when I was in my late 20s. It was mild, but as the years progressed, it became worse and worse and worse. Eating became a problem. I was very embarrassed to go out. I used to play golf, but you can't keep the putter accurate. You're in front of a jury and your hand shaking. Well, the jury thinks you don't know what you're doing, you're nervous, so I just quit.
Focused ultrasound is a new method for treating patients with tremors. It's a concentration of small beams of ultrasound in one specific area in the brain, and this will create an increase in temperature, causing a very precise, well-localized and small lesion.
And they put you in the MRI machine. They do a test run. They have you write your name, draw some circles, do various things, then they put you back in, and then they slowly increase the amplitude. When they brought me out the last time of the MRI machine, he said, stick your hand out. It was totally stiff. This is the way my hand is. Now, my right hand was worse than that, okay? That's not my right hand.
And after so many years of suffering, to be able to perform a procedure that will take a couple hours and it does not involve an incision, does not involve an open surgery, and have them completely having the tremor completely subside or control, it's amazing procedure.
Just to be able to do things with my right hand that I had not been able to do for 30 odd years or so. It's just an overall concept, okay, of well-being.
Teddy Bear Clinic is a way for kids to learn about the hospital without them experiencing the stressors of it themselves. We have a casting table where we're putting teddy bears, casts on teddy bears. We have a suture table where we're suturing teddy bears up. We have respiratory support and vital signs tables. We have a medical play table where kids can play doctor kits or real things that are happening here. We also have a get well card table. This is an opportunity for kids to learn about things that happen in a medical setting, in a hospital setting, without the stressors of experiencing it themselves. Yeah, kids may have experienced these things at their pediatrician's office, but this is an opportunity for them to process that experience through play. And this is a non-threatening environment because I see the variety of the responses here all across the spectrum. Some kids are observers and they just want to see what's going on. Other kids want you as the providers who are here to do things to their bears. Others want to be hands-on and doing things themselves. Yeah, kids process experiences through play. So when they're in control and they're doing procedures to their bears, they're in control of the situation. Whereas if they're in the hospital setting, things are happening to them, not necessarily things that they can control.
We're so excited to be opening up UPMC Children's Rehab Services in Erie on Peach Street. Physical therapy, occupational therapy, and speech therapy. In this beautiful space behind me, you see we're in a beautiful gym, all designed for kids. We have 6 individual therapy rooms. And above all, what this means in talking with families, the burden of a couple-hour drive to Pittsburgh gets lifted.
It's only a few minutes away from home. We don't have to travel hours in traffic.
You're looking at a 5-hour round trip. That's a lot of stress on a kid, let alone like our stress as an adult, but definitely a lot less stress on them. He's going to be a little bit more receptive talking to doctors.
We want to improve access, we want to continue to grow, and we want to be able to deliver on our mission of improving the life of these kids. So our commitment is to continue to bring services right here to the Erie region.
It's been a pleasure partnering with OIP, and I should preface the response in that we've had a long-term relationship with OIP spanning years, decades, and we have a more formalized partnership now, and we're here today as we have a ribbon cutting in the opening of our partnership in York, Pennsylvania, and working very closely with UPMC Memorial to grow and expand the services of orthopedics in Central PA, particularly in the York market, and their depth of service, depth of specialists is exemplary, and we are very excited to launch this new service line here in York, Pennsylvania.